Jupiter Season 2 airdrop is finally here, and if you've ever interacted with the Jupiter DEX, you're eligible for the 2025 airdrop. So today I wanted to cover how to claim your JUP tokens and how you can compound your earnings to make yourself eligible for future airdrops. This is a quick and easy tutorial. Let's get started. So this airdrop has been teased for months by the Jupiter DEX, and it's finally here. And there's hundreds of thousands of wallets eligible for this JUP airdrop. So the official claim website is jupuary.jup.ag. You would scroll to the bottom. So Jupiter does want you to create a Jupiverse profile. So this would be your own profile within the Jupiter DEX. Now this is a necessary step in order to claim your airdrop. So if you're a new user, go ahead and sign up. You can sign up via Google or enter your email address. Cool. And once you're in, you'll see your Jupiverse profile. The next step would be to link an eligible wallet. So I do know most Solana users use the Phantom wallet. So I recommend you link all your eligible Phantom or Solana wallets. Cool. So I've connected one wallet here, and I would hover over here and view my allocation for this JUP airdrop. And there you have it, 123 JUP tokens for this specific wallet. So for this specific wallet, I did fall under the tier 7 airdrop. So my score was over 2,200. So that would fall under this tier 7 criteria. The allocation there was a minimum of 50 JUP. And as you can see, the higher your score was, the more allocation of the JUP token you will get. And there's tons of lucky winners out there. There's wallets who received a score of 1 million, 5 million, even 10 million that would get up to 20,000 JUP tokens. So the way this swap score is determined is based on USD volume. So the more swaps you made, the higher your score. It's that simple. I did get a bonus 50 JUP for swap consistency. I kept swapping for over 8 months in this wallet. And now if you use some of the features within the DEX, including dollar cost averaging and perpetuals, you were given extra points in this tiering system. So that means using the tabs over on the Jupiter DEX that include the perpetuals tab, the ape tab, or even the DCA, the dollar cost averaging tab. All of this would have gained you more points over time if you use them more. Now for staking, you would earn more points for the higher amount of JUP you were staking. And to stake, you would do it over on the governance section. That is the voting section of the Jupiter DEX. So in order to vote, you do have to lock up and stake your JUP token. So this specific wallet only had 20 JUP staking, but again, the higher the number of JUP you were staking, the higher your airdrop would have been. And also there's a bonus super staker, so any whale that was staking thousands of JUPs would have been eligible for more tokens. So once you've reviewed all this, go towards the bottom and click on link this wallet to your profile. This would ask you to sign a message so your Jupiverse profile is linked to this wallet. And now you will see your linked wallet appear under this linked wallet section in the Jupuary dashboard. So finally, you're ready to claim your allocation. Click on claim. So there's two options here. You can claim and stake, or you can simply claim. Claiming and staking would mean all your allocation would go to the governance section like I mentioned earlier. This would be locked up with your pre-existing allocation so you can continue voting on future proposals. If you don't feel like locking up your JUP, you can claim only, and by claiming only, this allocation would simply go into your Phantom wallet. So depending on your strategy, you can claim it by yourself and simply swap or sell off the tokens if you would like. And at the time of filming, the JUP token is hovering around 80 cents. So are you a long-term believer? Do you want to hold this? Now, if you have faith in the JUP ecosystem, you can claim and stake. And by doing this, history has proven the more you stake and vote, the more eligible you become for future airdrops, including season 3. So personally, I'm in no rush to sell these tokens. I will be claiming and staking my allocation. And here's a quick review of why you should potentially stake. You have a meaningful say over the Jupiverse, meaning you can vote on future proposals. You do receive active staking rewards, which are the ASR rewards. And lastly, you help decentralize the network. So now let's hit claim, and I will claim and stake and confirming your wallet. And there it is. It's been confirmed. We can click on back to profile. You see here, it's been claimed. And if I go over to the governance section, that is vote.jup.ag, you do see my voting power has increased. You definitely want to keep your eye out on future proposals when they appear here. The window window for voting is very short, so you want to vote so you make yourself eligible for future airdrops. And the more JUP you have staked, the higher your voting power. So there you have it, a quick way on how to claim and stake your JUP tokens. There's a reason why the Jupiter DEX is the most popular exchange on Solana. They have the most powerful platform and continue gifting airdrops to everyone who uses the platform. So I definitely recommend everyone continue swapping on the platform, using other features like dollar cost averaging, using the perpetual section, using the ape section for meme coins, and even using the JLP section so you can earn revenue from the platform. This is a robust platform that fulfills many needs. So what do you think about the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop? Let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of free other airdrop tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.